video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy login error. So for that, simply go to your control center, check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Now the next thing is simply press and hold on to your fantasy icon, then click on app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it. Then click on storage uses. Here click on clear cache. After that go to Play Store. In the search bar search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. From here check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date and it's still not logging in properly, then click and hold on to this fantasy icon, click on uninstall, confirm it, then simply press and hold on to your power button, restart your phone. After that, try to download it again from the Play Store and log into your account. And in case the logging error is about forgetting your credentials, then there you will find having trouble logging in, press here. So simply click there. After that, you will be sent this one-time code in your email. Simply use this code to log in and then reset your password. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.